It started in Korčula. It started as a hole-in-the-wall little restaurant. I was a commis back then, still in high school. People loved the idea, loved the food. So it kept on growing to what it is today, 10 years later, the lab. I see it as the experimental kitchen, a place where finally, after 10 years, we can innovate and create new ideas. Tara. My name is Tara, executive chef of SiLK. I'm the daughter of two creative minds, the middle child, an adventurer. I've always cooked, always loved to cook, and Asian food has been a part of my family since as long as I can remember. But it was a tradition in my family. Every week we would go to our favorite Asian restaurant in our hometown. It was a Japanese restaurant with Chinese influence, and so today on the menu here in SiLK, the lab, we've got some items that are from my, I guess, childhood memories. So the prawn toast was something that we always ordered, and it's like the silliest thing that we probably have on the menu, and yet it's just so good. I mean, adults like children love it. I've always wanted to know how to make it the authentic way first and then innovate with different cultures and flavors. And that's also what I think food has become today, you know. I mean, food travels for sure, but there's no real traditional anything anymore. The fashion nowadays is fusion, and you can fuse just about anything. We've switched our mise en place, our daily preparations in the other SiLKs, because everyone loves them so much. The daily preparations are somewhat very routine. And so your day of today looks very similar to tomorrow. You know what you're coming in to do. Here, also the fact that it's experimental and that we've switched the menu a little bit since we've opened, there's room for all of us to learn something new. SiLK Lab is a memory of my taste buds. It's an ode to anyone who ever taught me, anyone who ever cooked for me, and anyone who ever gave me something unexpected to try. I think that all those memories will help shape the brand's future.